everything I touch will break. And every day you give and I take. I'm living the best that I can, but fate never followed my plans. I'm holding you back.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unboxing Samsung A7. This phone is a Middle East and North African SIM card version. This phone only works with these SIMs, and if I go India I need to unlock this phone. Maybe it's cost like 750 to 1000 Indian money. The price of the phone is 1000 Saudi Riyal. When it's convert to Indian money, it's like 19,500 like this. Let me check what inside the box.
I'll carry this burden myself. Just put me up high on a shelf. Think of me fondly.
This is Samsung A7 and it's fully covered and secured with plastic. And the front and back also glass, and the side is aluminium. Let me check inside. It's kickstart gate and one pouch in the back pouch. This case. This is normal 2.0 cable. And headphone, it's a normal headset, and also the charger. The charger is 5 volt and 1.55 ampere. It's not that much a fast charger, and also it's work as a fast charge because before the normal charger comes with 1 ampere. Now it's 1.5 ampere, so maybe we can opt for the best. Samsung A7. This is the power button and the fingerprint sensor, and this is volume rockers up and down. This one is SIM card and memory card slot.
Saturday.
It comes with one micro SD card and 2 nano SIM ports. We can use the memory card and dual SIM together.
Turned around and wave good.
And this is the notification bar. Okay guys, this is the unboxing video of Galaxy A7. If you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you have any comments, please comments below, and please subscribe my channel.
And a blind man